What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am coming at you guys again today with another installation with my Black History Month highlights. And today I just wanted to create a more natural glam look using the Juvias Place Saharan Palette. I just put up another tutorial using this same palette. I just wanted to give you guys a different look using this same palette because that was the very first time I used it, so I want to get as much use as possible out of this, guys. So came up with this like kind of smoky, sensual type natural-ish eye. I know this isn't natural for everybody, but this is really nice for those who like, you know, a little glamour but doesn't want as much as the last video. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. If you are new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell notification. That way you can get notified every time I drop new videos. I release a new video at least once a week. I try to do twice, but it doesn't always happen that way. However, if you guys want to see more from me, just make sure that you do those two things. Let me know what you guys want to see down in the comments down below. And let's just go on ahead and get into the look. I hope that you guys enjoy. Later.